Welcome back to the Electrician's Channel. And tonight I want to talk to you about a multimeter that I have in my collection. This is the AEMC CA5205 digital multimeter. It's more like a compact multimeter. I wouldn't call it a pocket multimeter because it's kind of, you can put it in your pocket or maybe a jacket pocket. I would say that. This is a real good multimeter. It's compact, it's little, it's to get the job done. It comes from a reputable company, AEMC, that have a long history of putting out really good quality test instruments in the electrical and electronic field. This is the meter right here. They don't have it for its size. They have some pretty good straight to the point features. It comes with a diode test, comes with continuity, comes with resistance, ohms resistance, and volts. And it's basically a compact electrician's meter. I have all the functions that an electrician would use, maybe a residential electrician for sure, would use. This is a handy multimeter, a little handy multimeter. It runs off of 2 AA batteries. It doesn't have a backlight. It has a hold feature, range feature, and what have you. It's really nice. Really nice. It's the thickness of it. This is the thickness of it. I don't have a measuring with me, but this is the thickness of it. Can you just imagine this blue? Let's use this blue as a to measure. It's not that thick. Let's even go as far as the length. The length of it. It's not too big, real compact. It comes with this protective holster. And the holster has a little stand on it also. It makes it sit up like that. Like I said, it doesn't have a backlight. Some nice features. It doesn't wobble when you try to turn it. It holds steady. Hold function. Even has a range function. Yep. It's a really good multimeter. I've used it a few times. I keep it on my bench here at home. Because I have other multimeters that I bring with me. It could be the reason why I keep it at home because it doesn't pack the features that I need out in the field. So I just keep it on my bench, basically, for around the house work, if I had to do some work around the house. But this is a really good multimeter. And I don't know if it's been discontinued or not. I haven't seen many of these. I bought this maybe a year ago off of eBay, and I got it for like $40, I believe, $40. And this is a real nice multimeter, really nice. So if you guys was to run across one, I suggest you get one. It'd be a nice electrician's multimeter to have in your tool bag, if nothing else. Keep it with you, or a nice multimeter to have at home. Keep in mind, it's not true RMS. It's just a regular averaging meter. But it's a good meter. It's a good meter. And it'll get you where you need to be. It'll help you out in all situations. I would trust it. I would trust it. So let me do some continuity testing on it and see how fast it is. Well, let me see just how. That's pretty fast. Okay. But the beeper is not as loud as I would like it to be, but it'll get the job done. I can live with that. I can live with that. Again, this is the AEMC CA5205 multimeter. If you guys was to run across one for a nice price, I think you should get it. This is this is another, just into one of my videos. I want to thank you guys for checking in. And if you like what you see, you find this video interesting, please leave a comment and hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you like to receive notifications of my future videos, hit the subscribe button as well. And I just want to thank you guys again for tuning in. In the meantime, you guys stay safe and peace out.